The Rollga Foam Roller PRO uses a contoured shape that cradles the spine and shoulder blades, making back rolling more comfortable while still targeting stubborn pressure points. Its higher density foam delivers a very firm feel that reaches deep into tight muscles, which is especially helpful for experienced users who like intense trigger point work. Regular sessions with this roller can noticeably ease post-workout soreness and support faster recovery, so it fits well into both warm-up and cool-down routines. The design works just as well on the neck, hips, legs, arms, and feet as it does on the back, so one tool can handle most daily mobility and massage needs. Because it is lightweight, yet tough enough to keep its shape over time, it is easy to toss in a gym bag or suitcase without worrying about it getting crushed. People who practice yoga, Pilates, or physical therapy style exercises will appreciate how this roller helps improve flexibility and posture while encouraging more consistent self-care.